had a request from Gloria Bueno, and she wanted to see my fairy house up close with all the details. So I promised her a video of that, and here we go. First of all, I'm going to try to show you that I have a bed and a side table with a little lamp inside of here. That is from my 1 to 144 videos where I put that in this little house after I made it. But let's see, it's the front of the house, the mailbox, the flower pots, and some lilies, or what you would call those, another flower pot, and some greeneries all the way up, some butterflies, and some purple and pink flowers, and some what they called ladybugs, of course. And let's go close here, see if it will show the tiny stairs with the moss and the grass, the pink flowers, the mailbox saying mail. And here we have some purple flowers, a little more moss, and the ladybugs, windows, and just some decorations, flowers at the window, the lilies and the ladybug and more, and a lily at the top, ladybug, some more flowers, and the greenery, butterfly. There were 2 butterflies on this, but one broke off. The bottom is not that pretty, but it's there, so you can see the bottom of the flower pots here too. Well, there you go, Glory. That's the little fairy house I made on a styrofoam egg. Be careful making those, because I heard that styrofoam eggs are not good to put in the oven because they give out some toxic fumes. I did not know that, but I have my oven. When I use that, I always have some kind of what you call that, flow through my kitchen, so it won't stay in my kitchen, any kind of fumes, just to make sure that I'm not getting anything. Anyway, I like this result. This is one of the best creation I made in miniature. So there you go. I hope you will go watch the video where I make this. I will put the link here and at the end of this video. There are a few details in there that can be hard to see, as it's an old video and I'm still learning how to show what I'm doing. I still have difficulties here and there staying in the frame as when I work. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Happy crafting!